Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you amazing city of Florence. Once you have done exploring the historic city center, do not forget to check out the panoramic view of Florence. While walking on the other side of famous bridge Ponte Vecchio, it takes you to the top of the hill where you can come across Michelangelo's bronze statue along with an exotic view of the entire city center. Even the path towards the top is beautiful with English landscape and colors of spring. From this point, you can observe the contrast of the city with monuments and greenery. The city attracts millions of tourists each year, and UNESCO declared the Historic Centre of Florence a World Heritage Site in 1982. The skyline of the historical monument is promptly withstanding from the panoramic viewpoint. And that's the reason why city attracts millions of tourists each year, and UNESCO have declared the Historic City Centre of Florence a World Heritage Site since 1982. Due to Florence's artistic and architectural heritage, in 2010, Forbes have ranked it as the most beautiful city in the world. This golden age Florentin art city has lot to offer, and one needs to visit more than once to get the core art of the city. That's it for now. I hope you liked it and it was informative for you. Stay tuned for my next videos. See you until next.